Thanks, Jalisa. Sydney is being blown away by high winds this afternoon. Trains were briefly halted between Epping and Rhodes after a tree came down on the tracks at Meadowbank. They're back up and running now, but high winds are expected to make the run home on the rails and ferries difficult this afternoon.